the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the $12 bag, and I didn't subscribe to this. I actually made Ipsy's PR, and I'm so grateful not only to them but to you guys, because if you guys didn't watch these unboxings, I wouldn't have been able to get onto this. So every month they're going to be sending me their Glam bag, the little $12 one, and then their Glam bag plus, which is the $25 one. I am actually subscribed to the $25 one, so I will unbox that separately and let you guys know that it's not PR, so that way you guys can kind of compare. I also do that with other subscription services, and what I will do is if I get a duplicate product or anything like that, I will do giveaways for you guys. I'm gonna try to get together quite a few products to do a giveaway here on YouTube, and then I also do quite a bit of giveaways. It's easier for me to do them on Instagram, so if you have an Instagram, definitely follow me down below if you want to enter or just kind of see my makeup looks, and I do tutorials over there and such. Okay, so I'm so happy and excited, and any additional information I will leave down below. So this is this month's bag, and it says "Your Magic." The little thing on here is so cute. It has a little moon and star. This bag is so freaking adorable. I'm gonna show you the other side right now, but I am all about like witches, Halloween. This is my birth month. My birthday's in a few days and I'm turning 38, and I've always been all about Halloween because of that, because my birthday's in this same month, and I just love like dressing up and the whole 9 yards. So look at this. Oh, this is so cute. So it has like the little evil eye that a lot of people associate kind of like that with Halloween and like spirits and stuff like that. If you're not into witches and stuff like that, then this probably isn't for you. But I love the fact that it has like makeup things around it. So it has like a little brush, a little lipstick, the whole 9 yards. This is so cute. And I've always said, like, I'm not a real big fan of these bags all the time because it gets to a point where you kind of accumulate way too many of them. But this one is gonna stay with me because it's so freaking cute and it's something that I love. Okay, let's get over the bag. Let's go ahead and jump into what's in here. So the first thing in here is the little Bobbi Brown mascara, and this is their smoky eye mascara. This is in the shade Black, and we're just gonna take a look at the wand. Oh, I like that. I love a thin wand like this just because I feel like you can really get in there and like, you know, like really brush them in there and like pump up those lashes. So definitely will be adding this to my collection and trying it out. Next thing that I see in here, I love this. I actually just recently got one and started using it, and this stuff is amazing and expensive. This is the high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley is known for their skincare. I absolutely adore their skincare. I have like, oh God, I want to say like 4 of their products, and I recently just added into my skincare as well. Retinoid is something that I would definitely look into depending on your skin type, but it does help preserve the skin and help with wrinkles and stuff like that. So this has 6.5% of a serum blend of retinoid. So I will be keeping this because once I ran out of the other, this is a great backup for me. I'm so excited that this is in here. I can't even believe that this is in the $12 bag. Like, what? Is that right? Because I know like you would get like one full size and like a few little ones, or all little ones, but whoa, baby. This is a good bag. Just with that for $12, yes. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Oil and Shine Control Primer by Smashbox. I will probably be giving this away because I do have more drier, mature skin and I tend to go for more hydrating or luminescent kind of primers. So this is something that I definitely won't be needing. My skin used to be oily back in the day, but I had a child and apparently my skin changed. And then the last thing in here is the Brio Farewell Frizz Rosaker Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I've actually tried this before and I love it. I actually just ran out of one just recently. I don't know if I have it on here, but on my Instagram I've been sharing like empties, and I have a little highlight reel with all my empties, and I give you guys like mini 10-second reviews of products, and I absolutely love Brio. I actually just got their holiday kit mask for hair. I love their products, really, really good for your hair. And I would definitely, if you're thinking of trying Brio Gel, maybe get one of their sets for like the holidays and stuff like that, where you can get like maybe minis or just like different items to try out. But I'm excited to add this to my hair stuff. So that is it for the little bag. This is a winner in my book because of just this baby right here. All the other ones are just add-ons to me. They're so good. So these are the 4 products that I think that this is a great bag. Let me know what you guys think. What did you get in your bag? I'd love to know down below. Did you get something similar? What was your choice? I know I had like a little bit of issues with my own choices this month. I don't know what's up with the app or the website. I did contact customer service and they are trying to work it out. So fingers crossed that by next month it is all up to date, because I've been subscribed to Ipsy, God, I want to say more than a year, and I had never had issues like going onto the app and picking my choices. But this month I don't know if it was just like way too many people on it or what happened, but a lot of people I saw had a little bit of issues, so hopefully they will fix that. Anyways, I'm so excited about this bag. Let me know what your thoughts are. My social media is down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that little red button. And yeah, I hope you stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.